Do you want your own website but don't know where to start? Let's build one with WordPress, no coding required. In this video, I'll show you how to create a website on WordPress. First things first, go ahead and give your site a name. So once you have signed up for an account on WordPress, this is the first step that you'll need to do. You need to give your site a name. So in this section, you need to incorporate your site title, the tagline. You can also upload your site icon and site logo if you do have one. So as you can see, you can upload it on your media library. You can also generate one using Fiverr. After that, you need to verify your email address, and then after that, you need to customize your domain. So you can get a domain name and hosting on providers like Bluehost, Hostinger, or SiteGround. They offer one-click WordPress installs. You can also avail a domain on WordPress. So you can find a few domain names that you can choose from. You can also avail a free domain name on WordPress if you don't have a budget. After that, you can go ahead and proceed on adding a new page into your WordPress website. So this new page would be one of the pages of your website. You'll need to incorporate the title along with a body for that specific page or part of your website. So as you can see, you can add blocks. You can go ahead and use the elements available here, and once you're done, you can simply click on that publish button at the top right of your screen to publish this page into your website. So once you've published this into your website, you can go ahead and view it on your website as well. And that's it. Your WordPress site is live. Like, follow, and drop a comment if you want a deeper dive into themes, plugins, or e-commerce.